Hello everyone, myself Spurti. I am studying in 7th standard Mokshagundam school. Today I'll recite 28 states of India.
Spurti, we have a challenge right now. If you can reproduce or recall these 28 states of India, we will give you cash prize of rupees 1000 to you. Are you ready to take up the challenge?
Yeah, sure sir.
Okay, all the best for you.
Thank you sir.
Spurti, we will start the clock timer right now. Spurti, close your eyes. Start.
आंध्र प्रदेश, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, बिहार, छत्तीसगढ़, गोवा, गुजरात, हरियाणा, हिमाचल प्रदेश, झारखंड, कर्नाटक, केरल, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, मणिपुर, मेघालय, मिजोरम, नागालैंड, ओडिशा, पंजाब, राजस्थान, सिक्किम, तमिलनाडु, तेलंगाना, त्रिपुरा, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, वेस्ट बंगाल.
Wow, Spurti, you have cracked this in 14 seconds. Congrats.
Thank you sir.
Spurti, you have recalled these 28 states of India in just 14 seconds. As promised, we will give you cash prize of rupees 1000 to you. Spurti, now you can take rupees 1000. That is yours.
Thank you sir.
Spurti, would you like to say something?
Yes, Ovia. I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Raviprasad Sajjan sir to teach me how to improve my memory power. Thank you, Dr. Ravi sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishan Mohan. I am studying in 7th standard in Yagnavalkya Public School. Now I will recite 28 states of India.
Nishan, we have a challenge right now. If you can reproduce within 15 seconds, we will give you cash prize of rupees 1000 to you. Nishan, are you ready to take up this challenge?
Yes, sure sir.
All the best, Nishan.
Thank you sir.
Nishan, close your eyes. Nishan, we will start the timer right now.
आंध्र प्रदेश, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, बिहार, छत्तीसगढ़, गोवा, गुजरात, हरियाणा, हिमाचल प्रदेश, झारखंड, कर्नाटक, केरल, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, मणिपुर, मेघालय, मिजोरम, नागालैंड, ओडिशा, पंजाब, राजस्थान, सिक्किम, तमिलनाडु, तेलंगाना, त्रिपुरा, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, वेस्ट बंगाल.
Congrats, Nishan. You have recalled these 28 states of India in just 15 seconds and you have set a new record for memory championships. Nishan, now you can take this rupees 1000 cash prize. As promised, this rupees 1000 is yours.
Initially it was very difficult to memorize, but after attending Dr. Raviprasad Sajjan memory workshop, now it is very easy to memorize anything and everything. So I thank Dr. Raviprasad Sajjan sir from my bottom of the heart. Thank you so much, Dr. Ravi.
I have improved my memory power. To improve your memory power like me, please call this number.
Dr. Raviprasad Sajjan has also appeared in various international TV media and also in leading print media. To watch those videos, click these links.